today is the day for the pop-up shop. I'm at my sister's house now. We're getting everything ready, getting the sea moss ready. Let me show y'all. How many? 105 jars. So this is a mix right here. Then you have the standard gold strawberry pineapple mix. We don't really have a lot to get done right now. We have to just box up the sea moss, and I think we have to be there. What time? 10:45? Yeah. Got to be there at 10:45 to set up. But here's my sister Erica.
Hi. I'm so excited. This is my first pop-up shop, and I am glad that my sisters are here to help me. I sound nasally because I am getting over a sinus infection, but nevertheless, the day has to go on.
Well, we got to get something to eat first.
Y'all, I'm starving.
Yeah, we gotta go get some food.
I was up all night.
We're gonna go to McDonald's and get something real quick. I don't know what I want to eat for lunch. Probably go right
but we're gonna be hungry.
To Dairy Queen.
To Dairy Queen, yep. I just need something on my stomach now because I ain't had nothing. It just,
I don't see 6 piece.
Girl, get a Happy Meal. It's a 4-piece and a 6-piece.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Just get you a Happy Meal.
Do they put large fries in there with it?
No, but you can eat some of mine because I ain't gonna eat none of mine.
No,
you just get a double fry. If they put 2 fries.
I'm gonna get okay. Let me have a large fries, a large Sprite, 6-piece McNugget meal with a Coke, double fries. Okay, thank you. I almost forgot to show y'all what I got from McDonald's. I got the kids meal chicken nuggets and some fries, double fries. Nothing major.
A light snack.
Yeah, a light snack. So I'm gonna be eating something big later on.
What's up, guys? This is Coach D, the proud owner of the House of Royalty Dance Company here in Magnolia, Arkansas, and I just want to welcome you all out to the pop-up shop here from 12 to 5 p.m. hosted by my cousin Cassandra Weaver. It's a lot of good black-owned businesses out here. They come out here and support. Just come see what they're doing. We thank you guys. Once again, I'm Coach D. Have a good day.
My name's Kai Calorie, and I'm showing you a lot of stuff today. Great idea to sell nail polish, lip gloss, and lemonade. Because I want to make a lot of money for a wheelchair ramp.
That's awesome. Candy coated lip gloss. Dare to be different. Here's the list and the lip gloss. Then we have the nail polishes here.
Well, I sell sea moss gel, and basically what it is, out of the 102 minerals that our body is made of, sea moss provides 92 of them. It is good for anyone that has diabetes, high blood pressure, if you deal with any types of arthritis, any type of ailment, sickness. It is basically what I like to call a superfood for your body. The consistency is a gel. Sea moss derives from the ocean, and mine is well crafted. You always have to be careful when you look into buying sea moss because they also have sea moss that is pool harvested or farm raised, which means it does not derive from its natural habitat. So it's really, really good for you. Latoya will leave my information where you can purchase with me from.
This is my other sister, Simone.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, I just fit who I am. Fit who I am. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Really, it ain't nothing to it, dog.
I'm on the grind early in the morning. 5 then I go away. There's nothing like living this dream.
This is my dad.
So my name is Dominique with Purposely Pampering. I started a natural soap line and oil line. I've been doing it since November is when I launched, and I'm excited about it. My little soap is good for hyperpigmentation and acne and discoloration. And this is my Yanni. Called it Squeaky Clean, and it does exactly what it says. You can find us on Facebook, Purposely Pampering LLC, and Instagram, Purposely Pampering.
Let me take you on a vacation. Girl, let's take a vacation. Get you out of LA. Get you out of LA. Let me take you on a vacation. Girl, let's take a vacation. Girl, I could tell that you could use a break. I got plans for overseas. Girl, quit that 9 to 5 and pack your bag, we about to leave. Don't worry about the price, I got the tickets and the visa. Just stop and grab the Fiji water, I got wraps and tree. And we gone.
Pop-up shop is over with. It was successful.
Thank you guys. Man, thank y'all. I'm tired.
We about to go and get some crab legs and shrimp from Crab King's food truck.
Say hey,
Say hey, CJ. We don't know how long we have to wait, but we gotta stand in line, so we'll see. This is our other sister, Sonia.
There she go. And the camera.
girl.
So we got you on camera. Say hey.
You can see that dollar.
Yeah. So hopefully he almost here. He coming from where? Haynesville, home, ain't it? It ain't gonna take long.
You had it before, Sonia? No, she had. So the truck is here.
Oh, that's a big truck. So we got plenty of room. Get out the way, folks.
We about to go and stand in line right now. We got in line at 114. It's 131 right now. I heard that it was worth the wait, so we'll see. There's my sister coming back. She's about to have another baby in May. Girl. It's all the people that's in the line, and I got people behind me too. I want to share a part of the devotional that I'm reading from the YouVersion Bible app. The title is How to Make U-Turns in Life by Dr. Tony Evans. One thing that stood out to me that he said was, the freedom to choose is not the freedom to determine the outcomes of those choices. A lot of times we don't think that there are going to be consequences for our actions, or we think that the consequences won't be that great. But you don't get to choose those consequences. You can end up losing a lot just by the choices you make. One choice, one time can make a huge positive or negative impact in your life and or another person's life. So we probably about to cook something. We got some pasta. We got some greens too. So we probably got to pick these greens. No, not probably, but we got to pick these greens. And here's some turnips right here. Is some more stuff out there?
Mm-hmm, it's a lot.
I bought me 2 more of them gals. I love them.
Where you get them from?
From Walmart.
Look at these bags my mama got me. There's beauty and strength.
in the freezer. You can see.
What to do with all the meats?
Refrigerator, you can get them in there. Just leave them in the sack.
Okay.
Okay, let me see.
Now them sacks like sticky.
I got this shirt from my cousin Sierra. A paper box. They had that other oven. It would have been hours before the food got ready.
4 hours.
I'm about to cut up these turnips for the greens. I know the other one, the cuisine art one, is that one's super sharp. It was up too high.
I don't know. I gotta figure out how to do this. This thing.
Hey, boo boo. Hey, CJ. Hey, boo boo.
Hey, Antonia.
Come here, CJ. Come here, CJ. Let me see your boots. Oh, you don't have your boots on.
See, Toy, that's supposed to come out.
Now we're making the pork chops.
Cause you know what? They just gonna brine a little bit. Well, Mama, when you get this, I will. These greens look really kind of bitter. Got that bitterness to it.
Yeah, you can put making the hot water cornbread now. The food is almost done. Mexican cornbread without hamburger meat. Mexican cornbread with hamburger meat. Roast with potatoes and carrots. You can see the meat right down here. Smothered pork chops. Hot water cornbread.
Put it in a bowl. I'm gonna sit on the end down.
What else I got?
And the greens. And corn.
And I gotta go to
And we, you know what we didn't get? Macaroni and cheese.
Hey. Say hey, Seth. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey. Hey.
So he told me he wanted to watch JJ, and I don't know what JJ is, so I just put in YouTube JJ cartoon, and that's when JJ and Coco Melon or somebody pulled up. Who is it?
JJ.
JJ is Coco Melon?
I'm JJ.
What is it?
It's called Coco Melon.
His name Coco Melon? Oh.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye.